Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, you will learn how an admin can place offline orders when they have customers' addresses, as well as when they don't have them. Coming to the feature, we have given this provision to the admin, where they can manage the orders received from different mediums, like email, messages, WhatsApp, etc. Now, let's have a look at the admin. As mentioned, we will see two scenarios. First scenario is where you can place the order with customers' billing and shipping addresses. And second scenario is where you can place it without their addresses. Log into your admin panel. Navigate to the orders, then click on Add a new order, then click on Add Customer, and enter the details including the customer address. Here you can see with the customer shipping and billing address. The system is allowing us to click on Next and proceed further, with product selection with quantity and options. Then on the final page, after entering all the required details, click on Confirming the order. Here you can see the order is placed with the order number. Here, you can see the shipping and billing address details of the customer. Now, let's try placing offline order with the second scenario. To start with, navigate to the store configuration, then the shipping method menu, on the page, and click on the address settings button, from the top right corner. We have added a section as Offline Order Address here. When you enable the Use Fix Address for Offline Order button, only then it will allow you to place orders without a customer address. After that, click on the Manage Address link. Here you can add or modify the default address, which the system will use as the shipping and billing address. Here we have an Ask for Confirmation button that asks for confirmation while placing offline order when the default address is used. Now, when we can go to Add a New Order menu and add a new customer without adding address details. In this case, the system will consider the default address for the customer's shipping and billing address details, and you can see the warning message below the shipping and billing details. You can also manage the default address from this link. Further, we proceed as usual by clicking on the Next button, choosing Products, saving, and continuing. On the final page, after choosing all the mandatory fields, when we click on Confirm Order button, it will ask for the confirmation of the default address used for the customer address. Click on OK, and then the offline order will be placed, as you can see here with the order number. Now, in this order, the shipping and billing address was taken by a system that we have put in the fixed address for offline orders. This is how an admin can place offline orders from their admin panel. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any queries, feel free to connect with us.